If you are looking for a natural technique for droopy eyelids, this is a face taping for wrinkles technique, which you will love to help to lift those droopy eyelids. Okay, so all you need is some K-tape. So this is the Kinesiology tape that you see a lot of athletes using. And you're going to cut a little piece of it, make it long enough, and cut it in the lengthwise way so that, and use the little guide so that you can see. You probably need about 1.5 inches or so for that area of the face for your face taping for your wrinkles for those droopy eyelids. And we will actually be lifting those eyelids with the Kinesiology tape. So you're going to cut off your little piece. You are going to do a patch test earlier in the day around your wrist area to make sure that you are not sensitive to the adhesive of the K-tape and to ensure that you're not going to have any type of allergic reaction. Now, when you are peeling off the back of your K-tape, make sure again that you've cut it the right way so that you have that stretchiness, that give in the long direction of your K-tape. Now, all you're doing, if you are working, I'm working on my left eye, is I'm going to pull my skin up slightly above my left eye, working on the droopy eyelid with this face taping for the wrinkles here. Then I will apply and anchor the top part of my tape with, and this, it takes a bit of practice as you're doing this, but I'm going to anchor the top part, pulling up that eyelid area with my fingers, anchoring the top part of the tape, pulling down now on the K-tape, and then letting it go and anchoring it down on my skin. Now you can see I've made my tape a little bit longer than what I need, so I can go back and trim that, but then you are going to nicely smooth down, and you can probably see how it is already lifting my eyelid. And I like to do this at bedtime. I can trim off that excess here really quickly. That's why I have, and just watch your eyebrows. You don't want to give yourself a little bit of an eyebrow trim. That is not needed. Again, making sure that that is properly secured and holding it and pressing it down. So face taping for wrinkles is an amazing natural way to get a lifting effect of your skin without the need of injections. And that's why I love using face taping for wrinkles over, some other things that may have some negative side effects. Now in the morning, when I remove the tape, I always remove opposite direction of gravity. So I always remove up very gently, and there we go. And then I will usually follow it up with a natural mineral water spray on the skin, and voila, now I can follow up with my serums and things. So that is something that you can definitely do. So today I talked all about face taping for wrinkles for droopy eyelids. I hope that you love what you've learned here. If you do have a question or comment, please drop it in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out my other video on how to make vitamin C serum for your face at home. That is another video that I have here. Check it out. One of my goals is to teach you how to empower yourself over the healing of your own body, mind, and spirit. Be well, everyone.